Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about IFS Demand Planner and its capabilities. This is the plan for the session. We'll be touching on an overview about IFS Demand Planner, followed by the functionalities and capabilities of IFS Demand Planner, then the usage of IFS Demand Planner, followed by a summary. IFS Demand Planner is used for the forecasting purpose. So, forecasting is the process of predicting future demands based on historical data, market trends, and other information. In IFS, we have historical information coming from IFS customer orders or any other source. It just needs to have site, inventory number, date, and the quantity information. Based on that, IFS will extract this information and have its historical information defined based on it. The system is capable of automatically suggesting a system forecast based on the history, based on the forecast model we are using, and then demand planners can accept this forecast or they can change it based on their institution and work experience. Let's get into the capabilities and functionalities available in IFS Demand Planner. As any forecasting tool available in the market, IFS do have forecast models and scenario building capabilities. IFS application consists around 14 standard forecast models like moving average, least square, so on and so forth. Further, it has the ability to generate different scenarios based on the user requirements. As you can see, user can change the forecast models and generate different future predictions based on the models and do different scenario building as well. Further, this tool has the capability of measuring forecast accuracy. This tool is capable of measuring standard forecast accuracy measurements like mean absolute error, mean squared error. These are standard forecast error measurements available in statistics. So IFS has that capability. So we do have around 10 forecast error measurements available to measure the forecast accuracy in IFS. Further, it has the possibility of sharing this forecast information with the respective stakeholders. It can be a sales manager, sales executive, marketing managers, or category managers. Based on the requirements, there are 4 different levels of collaborations as well. This application has read-only, collaborative, evaluator, and full access collaboration categories. These 4 permission levels available to collaborate with different stakeholders. As an example, if we have read-only access, only the users can view the information. It has very limited functionalities. Users cannot change any forecast. As you can see, they cannot adjust the models. It's just for viewing purposes only. Whereas, if the user has full access, so the user has more options available in the demand forecast window, they can change the forecast models. They can change the adjusted forecast and start playing around and give their suggestions based on that. So starting from read-only to full access has 4 different levels of permission to collaborate with different stakeholders. Then we can talk about seasonality and weekly profile. So as you know, there will be a high demand for the winter clothes in the winter season. So the winter clothes has the seasonality based on the weather. This tool is capable of identifying the seasonality and weekly demand fluctuations and applying it to forecasts based on the historical information, and then change or reflect that seasonal change in the future forecast as well. Further, if your company is using budgets and target sales plans, You can incorporate this information into the IFS Demand Planner, and it is a very useful information for the demand planners. We have the forecast, we have our budget for a particular part, and our target sales plan. In IFS Demand Planner, there's a capability to import this information from external tools and incorporate it to the IFS Demand Planner. Further, when we have done the predictions, we can copy the forecast to the budgets and target sales plans as well. Further, if your company is conducting marketing campaigns from the frontline sales executives and this information, their campaign sales predictions can be incorporated into the demand planning as well. So this tool is capable of incorporating those informations into your forecasting. Then there can be instances like having special events where there can be a drop of sales due to flood or any other special event that is not normal. As an example, there can be sudden hype in sales because one of your competitor has gone out of stock. If those kinds of instances are happening, the system has the capability to adjust the demand forecast based on those particular market sales as well. Further, there can be situations where one particular part is going to discontinue and new part is going to be introduced into the system, but the history of one particular part needs to be incorporated into the new part for the demand forecasting purpose. Tool is capable of handling these kind of instances as well. Not only these capabilities, there are a lot more capabilities available in IFS Demand Planner. Having all of these capabilities and options in the demand planner, the end outcome is the forecasted values coming in IFS demand planning. Once these predicted values are available, these can be used in inventory, planning, and replenishments. In IFS, we have the safety stock order point, lot size, and next order date calculations. We can use this forecast information for those purposes. Then we have time phase safety lock option where we calculate the safety stock for the planning method A, D, E, F, G and M related parts. IFS Demand Planner supports that as well. Then it supports IPR supply plan. So based on your forecast, systems suggest supplies for the suppliers as well based on their delivery routes and lead items. Most important thing is master scheduling. Tool supports IFS master scheduling as well. These forecasts can be imported into the IFS master scheduling and it supports IFS MRP spare parts functionality as well, where forecasts can be imported to that as well. So we will be touching all of these areas in the coming videos. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Lab for more content like this. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you. Thank you so much.